And it's on. Hello, folks. uh, Today I just learned some new syntax for the NPM. Now I have Ethan here.
Hey folks, how are you today? Well, we are both engineers, and we are actually we're doing some coding together. We today, and we came across some things that we think might be very helpful for you guys. Either developers or future developers, or are currently learning development that would find this a bit useful. I myself was also using some of the, I guess, if not the old version, some of the old way of doing it. So Steve here and we are currently working on the new ways, and we thought that it would be cool to share it with you guys, and hopefully it helps you guys. And if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate, let us know. We are trying to do this together, so we figuring it out together. Alrighty, so we are going to do it with you guys, and as you can see the screen here, we'll be doing exactly that. So you can follow along if you want, or you can just do it as we doing it, or maybe we watch the video and then do it. Whatever is good for you, whatever stage that you feel is comfortable for you. All right, Steve. So are we ready?
Yes,
Awesome. Let's do it.
let's do it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the npm I stuff. We used to do this command, npm install, but now we can shorten it and become npm I.
Right. So wait right here. Let's see. Let's just discuss it a little bit, because I know I myself I used to use npm install. I mean, that's how I learned it, and that's what I've always used. So now we have a shortcut. We don't have to do the whole npm install now, right?
No, that's the same thing, npm I. That's equal to npm install.
Awesome. Whatever makes it quicker and easier for us as developers is always it's always a plus. So hey, no complaints here.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right, we can keep going.
Yes. Let's do example. So npm I, let's install Express.
Okay, so we just did npm I and install Express. The old way we would be doing npm install Express, right?
The old way we do npm install Express.
Right. I know some of you folks probably also wondering why didn't we use the save, the dot save. We're just doing this basically as a practice. It's not a specific application or anything like that, right?
Well, we are going to do it.
Okay, we are going to do it. Okay, I'm just jumping ahead of the game. Okay, awesome. Let's go.
We're talking about it. Let's do it. npm install. Save it. We used to do dash save, but now we can do dash capital S.
Right. You see, I did actually. I was stop. I was way ahead of the game. But yeah, so that's what I was talking about, because I remember that when I used to do it, I used to do npm install express save. Some folks don't actually use the save, but I know that I've always used it as a developer. How about you?
Yeah, most of the time I use.
Yeah,
Dash
we use it. Um, awesome. So now we have a new, actually quicker way. Just do npm I express and dash save, and you capitalize the S there, so it automatically saves it. Awesome,
Yeah,
awesome.
awesome. We think that's the two commands. That's how we use the most often. And that's how we are share today.
Yes, yeah, it absolutely. That's when we're using Node, that those are some of the two commands that we use the most. Express. Um, I use it a whole lot, at least 90% of the time, or maybe close to like 80 or something. Would you say when you're using Node, use Express?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I always use most of the time.
Yeah. Awesome. So this is definitely something that's for me it's new, but I don't know. Maybe for some of you guys, it's probably may not be new. Maybe this has been around for a while, but this is not my very first time really using this. And to be honest with you, I've been in the community a whole lot. I don't actually have seen anyone who has used the NPMI as much. Actually, I haven't really. Most of my other teammates and other engineers they use npm install. So this is definitely time saver. Like if you really like into like shorten your development time, this is something you can easily implement into your routine. I think
Yeah, pen saver.
time saver, yeah, all of it saver.
But thank you very much.
Uh-huh.
Thank you for being here today.
Sure. Oh, actually, you can actually show. We can share some of the the low dash and the why, maybe the NPN. While we're at it, maybe some folks probably already know about this, but I mean, if you're in that level where you already know these things, then this is just a review for you. But as as we're doing this, we also think that some folks might be interested and may not actually be aware of that. So that's why we're also doing it. So I think we should also do the the other stuff like the low dash.
Okay, sure. Let's do the how to initialize empty npm project. Um, npm init. We used to do this. And we can provide some empty values,
Mm-hmm.
or we can just npm init dash y, and it will do the same thing.
Right. So just to clarify a little bit, folks. So as before we used to do basically npm init, right? That's what we used to do before, and then that will initialize the package to some.
Yep.
Yeah. So now there's actually an effective way, or even if you want to go a little deeper into your development and not just accept things for what they are, and you would like to basically create your own stuff. So now you can actually implement the npm init dash y into your application. So what that will do is it will give you basically access to your dependencies, right? You can change it, right?
It will create a new package.json without you um, pressing enter too many times.
Right. So like a default,
It'll use all the default value.
all default value. Okay. So yeah. So that's actually really good. I mean, if you're that type of developer who has to basically keep um basically keep your name and then keep your work in a way that you like it to be, exactly your own. You created the package and so on and so forth. You will find this very helpful, I think. What do you think?
Yeah, it saves time.
It saves time. Time is a big thing. When you're on development and production, time is everything.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. So I hope you guys got that. I hope you really understand this. So what else we can share with them today? We can share.
About the dash dash depth option.
Oh yeah, that's actually a cool. I think that one is really a cool feature that I think some developers will actually find really really cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. So let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. So the command is npm list. It lists all the packages you installed in this project. Some packages you didn't install them directly, rather is brought by some other packages like Express. It has some other dependencies. That's why we see so many packages,
Mm-hmm.
although we just installed Express.
Right, right. Yeah, I mean, it is definitely a lot of dependencies. I think some of us probably don't even know what the heck this means, like in terms of like a whole bunch of
Yeah, I
different,
don't really.
it's a whole bunch of different dependencies. But with all due respect, they all there for a purpose.
Yeah.
They all have their own purpose here.
Make Express one.
To make Express what Express is. See,
Yeah.
that's why we love Express, because Express is as effective as it's gonna get, really, in the node world. So, hey, no complaints here.
Yeah, we use Express with the node.
Yeah. So, Steve, what exactly does the det do? What does that do, really?
Well, let's do it by example. We can do npm list and give it a depth option. Give it a 0. It will show the packages we directly installed, not the packages brought by the packages we have installed.
Okay. Yeah. So, I see. So basically, what this is, just to, I guess, clarify for some folks who probably wondering. So basically, when you do it that way, when you do the npm list and then you do dash dash deb 0, so this one will basically show us the one that we installed. Like, for instance, I've noticed that you installed the Express here, which is the version 4.15.3, and I also noticed that you have the Lodash here. So these are the packages that you express, and they're the only two that I see, versus the previous one showed all of the one that's already, I guess, default with Express, right?
And the brought by the Express.
They bred by the Express. So as you, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, cool. So another word is, just to keep, basically score of what you installed. You can just do this as a quick shortcut, and then you can see what you yourself you installed.
Yeah, I think the interesting command is sometimes really curious.
Yeah, I think so too. Like, especially if you're one of those developers that you just install stuff, and then the next day you don't really remember what you yourself have installed. So this definitely will be helpful. What do you think, Steve?
Yeah, sometimes maybe. Yeah, cool.
Yeah. So yeah, it's good. I like it. Do you like it as a developer? I think that's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty new.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really cool. Now, when did, if you don't mind me ask, when did, do you know when was this take effect? When did they start using this? Because I don't really see this a whole lot.
I don't know.
Yeah. Well, folks, we are definitely learning it, and we're discussing it with you guys as we're learning it, because we feel like this will be very helpful to share with other developers. So, having said that, if you do know, you have any questions, you have some more, you can add to this video that could help other folks. Please, please, please be our guest, and in the comment, or just share it with folks. That's the purpose of the video. It's to really help other developers as well.
Yes, that's the message.
Yeah. Anything else we want to share?
I think that's good for today.
Yeah, awesome, guys. So it was really nice hanging out with you guys. Hopefully the video was very helpful. If it's not, we guarantee you, we promise you, we're gonna have some really cool stuff in the future that can really help you guys as other developers or inspiring developers who are actually interested in some of the new stuff coming on. So we're trying to show it to you guys as we learn it as well. So it was really nice. And again, this is Steve here. We're just really, and Steve and Ethan. So we're just really hanging out here as two developers who's also coding, and then we come out across these things and we're sharing it. So Steve, anything else you'd like to say?
Thank you for listening.
Awesome, guys. Okay, have a good day, and what do you say? Happy coding.
Happy coding.
Hi, bye, guys.
Bye.